Hello, friends. Rahul here. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and we are based in Calgary, Canada. And today we are talking about vulnerable open work permit. And this is the second video regarding vulnerable open work permit. And in this, we will tell you more about vulnerable open work permit, who can apply, and what are the steps. So let's start. This is the official website of Canadian immigration, and in this it says open work permit for vulnerable foreign workers who are victims of abuse. So in the first video we have explained that what is this work permit and who is eligible to apply. So as you can see. And also one thing I want to tell that we will share all the links in the description box so you guys can take a look by yourself. So vulnerable open work permit is for those people who are facing abuse in their workplace, and it's usually for all the workers who are at present working in Canada and they are on a closed work permit or a LMIA based work permit. So if you will see, whoever is thinking to apply vulnerable open work permit, they must watch this video. And this is this is on the government website, and it tells exactly what will happen and how immigration um, will provide you, if you are eligible, the vulnerable open work permit. And also I want to share this. If you will see this, watch this video in another language. If you will click on this, so it's in English, French, Chinese, Hindi, Punjabi. So yeah, so it's very nice in the sense ki, it gives you exactly what is going to happen, and how immigration will proceed with your vulnerable open work permit application. And also I want to share the fact sheet. So what is an open work permit for vulnerable workers? And if you will click on this, it's also multi language. And if you will see what is the open work permit for vulnerable worker, and it says who is eligible, I have already told you. And what is abuse, um, all the different kinds of abuse, physical harm, threats, or insult, and all those things. And how can I apply? So this is important. If you will see this, how can I apply? So this has to be applied online, and of course you need a scanner, or you have to upload all your documents. And also if you have any, it says over here, if you can't apply online because of a disability, or if there is a problem with our online application, which generally I am telling you does not happen, then you have to go to the IRCC office closest to you, and or contact the client support center. That's the phone number, and then ask for that you can't apply online. And also very important thing what we want to discuss is what documents is needed when you submit this application. So absolutely a letter describing the abuse, other evidence if you have, um, letters, a sworn statement by the applicant, the a copy of a complaint filed with an enforcement agency, other supporting materials, emails, photos you have, witness, testimony. And also with the application you have to also post your copy of your passport, digital photo. If you are married, then marriage or birth your marriage certificate, your birth certificate. And it says over here, what happens after I apply? We aim to contact you within 5 business days after you apply. We may ask you to do an interview. Sometimes there is an interview or there is a telephonic call. uh, Usually it's a call, officer will call you and ask you what is happening, and they need more information. And then if you are approved for an open work permit for vulnerable workers, we may ask you to give us information to help us inspect your former employer. Or and it also say you don't have to give us information, the choice is yours. So it depends upon the person. If they say no, we just want the open work permit, whatever is your case, whatever is your situation, it's all different. So yeah, this is uh, this is the general criteria on the documents and what is the process of applying one mobile open work permit. Thank you. Take care.